Hey, what's up guys, Gokulnath here, back with another video. This is the topic which I had a lot of research going on, because on my next upcoming trip I'll be applying these points specifically, and I followed certain points already. So I thought these points would be worth sharing with you guys. Sorry for the background noise, it's just my pet. Without further ado, let's get right into the topic. I just made a list of points in my phone, so I'll be going through one by one. Book your tickets on incognito mode. Alright, what does an incognito mode do? It actually clears out all these cookies and caches in your browser, and all these airplane websites track your travel, that is ticket activity and search browsing activity based on these cookies. When you are browsing your tickets in incognito mode, these airline websites, they cannot track you backwards, and they cannot continuously change prices according to your wish of browsing. So this really helps a lot for discovering the cheapest fares available. Also, when you are doing this, always book ahead, like 4 weeks before the travel if possible. Always compare prices on these websites like Google Flights, Skyscanner, Momondo.com. I am traveling on Malaysian Airlines, and I found the cheapest ticket on this Momondo website. But now, for the same price, actually AirAsia airline comes in. I just put the screenshot somewhere in the screen, so just let see that. So always before booking the tickets, compare the prices in these websites. It really helps you a lot, and you will always get the cheapest fare possible. Always pack a carry-on. No matter how much I can stress this point, packing carry-on only allows full mental freedom, and you can be a lot quicker. You don't have to wait for the baggage, and if anything lost, check-in baggage is lost, you need to go for a baggage claim, loss of baggage, and you have to apply complaints, lots of everything. So when you are packing, when you are traveling carry-on only, it eliminates all those errors. So you can travel mind free. And also make sure that your carry-on bag has a TSA approved lock inbuilt. If not, many TSA friendly locks are available on Amazon for the cheapest price. Make sure to grab one. It really helps you a lot. Plan your outfit ahead, and always wear the bulky clothes on your travel. So this is a point where, in case if you have some heavy clothing like jackets, more hood-ons, or when you are a person who love to wear layers, always wear your bulkiest clothes while traveling, like boots. So these materials take up a lot of space in your precious carry-on, so that when you wear them on traveling, you can have a lot more room in the inside, so that you can pack your other clothes. So this is a tip actually I found very useful on TripAdvisor, so I'm just sharing with you guys. Always carry a empty water bottle, and you can fill it up after security, because this is the one of the point. For security reasons, the airport authorities won't let you have a water bottle with filled liquid in it. They always dump it out during security checkups. So when you have an empty water bottle, you can always refill it up at any water fountain after security, or you can always get it filled when you enter the cabin from the air hostess. Always check in online, and either board first or board last. You are the kind of person where you always run late, or you just want to be mind peaceful. Always check in online. Actually, I'm gonna be checking online, so that I will be avoiding the check-in line at the airport, and I can arrive late. So this is especially a thing where in this modern technologies are very useful, but people still check in offline, and they will be wasting precious minutes, either board first or board last. This is a point which will be valid for frequent flyers, because always when you board last, you can always find the seat which is empty. You can just go straight ahead, so you don't want to check this is your corresponding seat or not. You always see when all the peoples are seated, you can always see the empty space, so you just go right in, put your luggage and just seat it on. When you check in first, certain people will also take time to put their baggage away. So this is a tip where it will be useful for them. Power bank is a lifesaver. So just take your largest power bank possible. I had a 20,000 milliamp power bank. Make sure it is fully charged before you travel. No matter how much you can say, some people will always forget to juice up the power bank, or they're like they don't care about the electronic devices state of charge itself. So they'll ultimately, during the travel, they will either run off battery, or they forgot to bring that at all. So even if you bring power bank, and if you are low on juices, you can either charge it up on the airport terminal, or you can charge it on the plane by the power plug included under your seat. Have forex card. So this is particularly useful for the people who always loses cash or don't like to carry cash. This personally applies to me very much, because I'm a kind of guy, I don't like to have a cash in my hand. I prefer digital transactions a lot more. And even if you have a forex card, you are already previously exchanging ahead, so that you don't get robbed by the high exchange rates in the airport terminal exchange places, or you don't necessarily have to wait in a queue in those exchange places. So what you are doing in this here, you are exchanging the amount way ahead, and digitally that amount has been storing in like a credit card, just like a credit card. So you can either pay digitally online, or if you are urgent need of cash, with that card you can withdraw amount from any local ATMs at the airport or at the city center. It's very versatile. It's like a bank debit card, so use it wisely. So by this you don't need to carry cash, or you need to bring a traveler's check. So kill the pain in the ass. Always set the time of your destination on your watch a day before. So if you are traveling for more than 8 hours or 5 hours maybe, so people have tendency to get jet lag. So if you just reset the time to that local destination, you can get naturally tuned to that time by at least seeing that, so that you can avoid a jet lag for the greatest extent possible. Last, always check the weather ahead. So all in this age, everyone has a smartphone, everyone has a weather widget. Always check and put destination weather widget on your home screen, and always plan ahead your outfits according to the weather. In case what can you expect? The weather changes all the time. You might think it's a sunny day, but unfortunately when you get down there, it might be rainy. So all your clothes doesn't suit a rainy season at all. So you're essentially doomed. So to avoid this, do this practice, so that it will be a lot helpful. That's it. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up if you loved it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. See you guys later.